How to draw Craig of the Creek. Hey, learn how to draw Hub crew. So for the first step of drawing Craig Williams from Craig of the Creek, we're going to begin by making two lines. Nice job! Let's go ahead and connect those two lines that we just made with one big C-like shape. Now let's go ahead and make a slight arch up top to close that big open gap. For the hair, we're going to go ahead and make one big outline around the head. Later on in the video, we're going to color this in black. Nice job, this is a fantastic start. Now on the left side of the head, as well as the right side of the head, we're going to make two big C-like shapes to make the ears. Now let's move inside of the face. We haven't started there just yet, so let's go ahead and make two big circles for the eyes. Nice job! Let's go ahead and make two small pupils in each eye that we just made. Above each eye that we just made, we're going to add in one small eyebrow along with the nose right below. Now last but not least, we can go ahead and make the mouth of Craig of the Creek. This is how to draw Craig Williams. Thank you for watching on how to draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to learn how to draw Hub YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and color our drawing together.